What is up, guys? It is me again, and this time I'm back with another video. This time a completely different video. This is just going to be a short video of me showcasing a haul I managed to get last summer. I went to an antique mall and I purchased this box of used HO scale trains. I bought this lot for I think 38 bucks or 40. As you can see, a lot of this stuff isn't in good condition, but I thought it was a pretty okay deal. It's got two locomotives in there, which they don't actually work. I have tested them out, but I will test them out on camera just to see if they do run. I did use some of this stuff before. Well, I think the main one I use is this Burlington Northern boxcar. That one actually is probably in the best condition out of all these stuff. And we can see we got some shells. I don't know what brand this is from. Maybe someone will tell me. Also got another shell. Again, doesn't say the brand name. Spare coupler. And this guy, I think this is a lifelike, yeah, lifelike boxcar. And on here we got a gondola. This one doesn't appear to want to stay in for some reason. But yeah, anyways, I just didn't mess with this lot that much. Just basically just set this box aside for a little while and barely even touched it. We'll do the locomotives last. Here's one of my favorite pieces of rolling stock that's in good enough condition. This flat car. I believe it would be missing some detail on the sides. You can see the little holes there. But other than that, this car does look like it's in a really good condition. Whoops. And right here is a shell and a frame of a boxcar. Triangle Pacific. I would kind of love to get some wheels for this thing. This is a Bachmann, old style Bachmann. And here is a shell. And like I said, it doesn't say the brand. And in here we got some cabooses. Here is a Union Pacific caboose. This one is by Bachmann. And we have another one in here. This one is also... No, this is lifelike, actually. Tell a lie. And there's just a shell itself. This one may be Bachmann, but I could be wrong. So that's three cabooses. Two of them have their frames, but one of them is missing a frame entirely. And in here, we have something that may be from a Tyco, if I'm not mistaken. This is a Norfolk and Western Spirit of 76, I believe. I think that's what it's called. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But this is what I have left of it, apparently, and I literally have no use for it. And but it's nice to have, nonetheless. And here is another gondola. I actually have another one of these. That's in much better condition than this, as you can see. This one suffered a major crack right here. And yeah, this one has definitely seen better days. And we got a couple of trucks right here. So you can see my fat fingers. Oh, we got another one right here, actually. And here is another horn hook coupler. Now we take a look at some of the locomotives that are in here. As you can see, this one is actually just a shell. This one is by Lifelike. I don't know if this thing works. I don't have the trucks for it. So this one is basically just non-running. But that's pretty much all I can say. Here is another I think this is a Lifelike too. Yeah, it is. I think these are GP38s, I think. Same with this one, but I could be wrong. Also by Lifelike. This one is in a lot better condition than the other locomotives are. And there's that. And here is I think this may also be a GP38 Union Pacific locomotive. This one is by Bachmann this time, Hong Kong. This is when they had the nylon gears that would very easily crack, not to mention the nylon axles, I believe. But yeah, this one is not in the best condition at all. As you can see, some bits have broken off. But anyways, let's take these engines to the track. Well, these two, not this one. I have no idea if that one even works, and I'm probably not even going to test it out because of that. But let's see if these two will run. Let's start off with this Santa Fe GP38. It's on the track, but I think I can feel it hitting the ties, or is it just me? Anyways, let's see if it runs, at least. I'm giving it power. I'm at 12 volts, and it's not drawing any current, so either this one's oxidized, dead, or just not working at all. I think I did test this one time, and I think it did just move. Come on, bro, wake up. I know I shouldn't. force some motors under these things, but if they work, they work. Let's give it full power. Yep, this one ain't going. Okay, turn off power. Well, unfortunately, we can call this one dead for now. It doesn't appear to be in running order for right now. Moving on to the Bachmann GP38. At least I hope that's what they're called. I swear, some of these diesels look way too similar to me, so I can never tell which diesel is which. So I do apologize if I get these classifications wrong. Anyways, power on. Let's give it 12 volts. Like we did with the Santa Fe one. Oh, this one's going. Shouldn't do it, but I'll give it full power. And look at that, without hitting the Hudson. As you can see, this one is running not too bad. The clicking noise is the gears. Derailed. And it's not drawing too bad of a current, but that's not bad at all. Yeah, you can tell there's definitely a gear cracked in that. Come on, dude. But it does work. I'm not even gonna bother doing a slow speed on this thing because there's no point in it. It won't do it. Well, guys, that would be just about a wrap for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed. I do apologize if this video is pretty short with this antique mall haul, but it's just giving me something to upload because I am trying my best to come up with ideas on these videos for right now. So yeah, that pretty much gives me an excuse to do something like this. I have tested a lot before, but you know, like I said, it's just giving me some video ideas. All right, I will see you guys next time. Take care, everybody.